Hello children, welcome back to the computer class. In previous class, you have learned logo command and some primitives of this lesson. Now today we are learning some more command of logo with practical. Let's see. In previous class, you have learned about opening screen of logo. So today we will learn first command. This is print command. Print command is very important primitive to display letter, number, word or a sentence on the screen. You can also do the calculation using this command. The output display in recall list box. So let's see with practical. This is the input box where you enter the inputs. Output will display in the recall list box. Suppose you want to print a letter. To display a letter, type the print command or print, or you can write PR, the short form of print. Then leave one space, put quotation mark, then type the letter, press enter key to run the command. Similarly, you can type a word, print or PR you can write double quotation mark and write word, then press enter key. Hello will display on recall list box. Similarly, you can print the sentence. To display any message or sentence on the screen, type PR then the text write in the brackets. Then press enter key. The sentence will display. You can also display any message using underscore in between the words and enclosing them in double quotes. See, PR, then space, then double quotes, hello world, but before writing the next word, type here the underscore, then you write next word. Hello world will display here. Print first primitive. This primitive is used to display the first character of word or first word of a sentence. Let's see. Print PR or you can write print, then write the character Print first we are using print FIRST in the bracket God is great. The first word will display on the output screen. If you want to display the first letter, write down PR first double quotations mark Ria. Only first letter R will display. Calculations in logo. Logo can also be used as calculators. We can use to perform mathematical operations like additions, subtraction, multiplications and division using the operators. So, how we can do the addition in logo? So, after typing print command, leave one space, then type number. This is the rules, first rules or to follow, and the second rules, all the arithmetic operator take 2 input. सभी arithmetic operator जो है 2 input लेते हैं. So, let's see the example. First, we will do additions. एडिशंस के लिए हम 2 नंबर लेते हैं और ऑपरेटर प्लस साइन यूज करेंगे. लेट्स सी, इफ यू वांट टू ऐड 2 नंबर, सपोज 6 and 9. So, first you write print statement, then write first number, then plus, then write second number. Press enter key. Sum will be displayed on screen. Subtractions. Subtraction, the number. For subtracting the number, you use the minus sign. Print subtractions, first number, then minus sign, then second number. Press enter key. Number will be subtract and give the output. Multiplication. In arithmetic, you can use the asterisk sign for multiplication. Print asterisk sign, then 5. Now press the enter key. Output will display. Now division. Division, we use the slash symbol for dividing. This divides the number on the left hand side of the slash by the numbers on the right hand side. Let's see. Print divided by 5. Press the enter key. Now see the output. Now print command with mathematical functions. Besides basic arithmetic operator, we can also work with mathematical functions in Logo. First function is print sum. Print sum is used to add two numbers and display the result. Instead of giving plus sign between the numbers to add, type print and sum followed by two numbers. Let us see. Print sum. Sum function is used to add two or more numbers and display the result. Instead of giving plus sign between the two numbers, to add, type print sum followed by two numbers. A space should be given between the numbers. Let us see. Print sum 20 space 30. Output will display in recall list. Now, second function is difference. Similarly, write down print difference (30) space 5. Output will display. Number will be subtract 30 minus 5. Now, product functions. These functions find the product of two numbers. First, you write the print command, then product, then write the number 12 space 4, then press the enter key. See the output. Now, remainder. Do you know, students, what is remainder? Remainder functions take two value as an input. It divide the first number by the second number and display only the remainder on the screen. Let us see. Print remainder (11) space 2. यदि आप 11 को 2 से डिवाइड करते हो तो रिमाइंडर 1 शेष रहता है. Now print with logical operator. So Logo can work with many other operators to perform this logical operator also. A set of special symbol like greater than, less than, greater than, equal, less than, equal we can use for logical operator. First we will see equal command. This command compare two numbers. The result of comparison is either true or false. Let us see with example. Print 12 equal 12. Output will display true. If condition is true, then output will display true. If condition false, then it display false. If you print 12 equal 78, then it display false. Now greater than sign, this command compare two numbers. If the number on the left hand side is greater than the number of the right hand side, logo display the result as true. Let us see. Print 23 is greater than 13. If condition is correct, then it will display the true. Next logical operator is less than. This command compare the two numbers. If the number on the left hand side of the operator is less than the number on the right hand side, logo display the result as true. So see, print or PR 45 is less than 75. Result will display on recall list box. So children, I hope you have enjoyed this practical session very well. Do the practical 2-3 times. We will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye.